shopping mall and Louisburg. So actually the ticketing machine is long away from the car park. The main problem issue is this, and also some car parks are in the mountain, on top of the mountain. So the problem is they are unable to locate free car slots, have to travel around the car park and again to free slots. Also the manual payment methods. So required to move the ticketing location, buy tickets and return to the car, keep the ticket and go. And also unnecessarily time consumption. They need to waste time for ticketing. The drivers spend 7 to 8 minutes to looking for parking and no help for managing car parks. So also the solution is to fully automated parking and also IoT enabled and applicable for urban and remote areas. So our proposed plan is here. So when the customer is coming to the car park, so there is a toll gate and there is a subsystem and the camera, and he detects the car, and he has also have a mobile application. If the user doesn't have a smartphone, he can also try with the feature phone. So for feature phone users, we have given a NFC enabled top-up card to get from this location as well. Then he enters at the very first. So after passing this toll gate, he going to the car park and keep the car and going to shopping mall and return and going back. When exiting the toll gate, he gets the payment, let's say automatically. He only need to get his mobile and touch into the camera, or if he using an NFC enabled top-up card, it automatically deduct because it's near-field communication. Also, we have draft some UIs. So here is the user information, basic information. Also, this is the flexible payment because the current situation is only giving the credit card. So giving the credit card and getting the ticket and putting into the card. So we have suggested on-premises because this is especially for the feature phone customers. Also, when we are using Apple, and we can use Apple Pay and Google or PayPal or Bill. Let's say one person doesn't have a credit card, so he can get billing to his address. He is the address and he can also capture his vehicle number for proof, as well as in this net publisher customer, the market chain has some privileges card. So we can embed those payment methods to that card as well. So also we can check in the free slots while we move onto the car park. So there are some indicators here. So when I am traveling into the car park, before the entrance I can check and book those things on the feature phone users. So when the car is coming to, is detecting the QR code, or there is a system to get NFC tags and everything. So also if he is not looked at the slots before, he can look here and go. So as well as when this system is detected, this when it is pop up, please capture the camera or please checking this button. As well as when it exit, it pop up please capture this camera or check out. Also, the market opportunities, fully automated solutions for net publisher current problems in parking, as well as possible to distribute among the net publisher supermarket chain at Scheme Center, because he has a lot of market chain businesses, as well as net publish can expand the electronic equipment business, because and the advantages for Scheme Center. So in Norway there are some winter time and summer time, so can change availability parking location based on environment condition by getting sensor data on the ground. So let's say this is Scheme Center and there are heavy snow is falling, so there are some sensors to detect the height of the snow, and if it cannot clean by several times, let's say half an hour, so the system, the net publisher main admin can move direct to his customers to another parking which is nearby. So also the benefits to the end user. So the users who are using the net publishers marketing chain, they can low time consumption for parking because I think the easier payment methods, facilities of booking can use for existing privileges cards and NFC enabled top-up cards for future phone users. Also the development. So the ground implemented sensor network is there, as well as QR readable camera. Number plate detection is an extra feature we thought to have in this. Also large display and gate control. Hybrid application is used because most of the phones are now I think the iPhones and some Android and Windows. Also mail server is communicate with the I previously said that there is some heavy snow, so to detect these things and stuff, so there is the mail server, as well as can modify the precise slots identification using RFID. Also the gallery provisions, ski centers can dynamically change parking location based on weather conditions, as well as booking car slots on the day. Network of parking areas via privilege opening can provide to the end user.